Let me show you how to export an FBX file with textures in Blender. It's simple and straightforward. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. First, open your project in Blender and make sure everything is ready to export. Your object should have materials and textures applied already. If you haven't assigned materials and textures yet, do that first before exporting. Now, with your model selected, go to the File menu in the top left corner and choose Export, FBX. This will show as an FBX file. This will then open the export options. In the export window, choose where you want to save your file and give it a name. Make sure the Export FBX dialog is open, and let's go through the settings. On the right side of the export dialog, under Include section, make sure that the selected objects is checked if you only want to export the selected objects. If you want to export the entire scene, however, leave it unchecked. Next, scroll down to the Transform section. Ensure that the Apply Unit box is checked if you need to match the scale with your target software. Scroll down to the Geometry section and check the Apply Modifiers box if your object has any modifiers you want to apply. For example, Subdivision Surface. Blender will automatically pack textures into the FBX file, so no need to worry about external texture files. If you're using image textures and they are external files, make sure that the path mode in the File Path section is set to Copy, and then click the small icon next to it, the little box, to ensure that the textures are embedded in the FBX file. This will make sure that all the texture files are included with the export. For other advanced settings, make sure to adjust the armature and animation options if your model includes animations or armatures. But if you're just exporting static objects, you can leave these as default. Once you're happy with the settings, click the Export FBX button in the top right corner of the window. Blender will now export your model with all textures embedded into the FBX file. And that's it. Now you've exported an FBX file with textures from Blender. I hope this tutorial helped.